From Earth's surface, space seems almost within reach. The horizon curves gently, the sky darkens above, and satellites pass overhead as though teasing us with the ease of leaving. Yet this simplicity is deceptive. Space is close in distance, but forbiddingly distant in energy and effort. The cost of leaving Earth is not accidental. It is enforced by the laws of physics themselves. Gravity is relentless. To achieve low Earth orbit, a spacecraft must reach speeds near 7.8 kilometers per second. This is not negotiable. Falling even slightly short means returning to the surface at full acceleration, often catastrophically. Rockets must carry immense amounts of propellant to generate this velocity. And the more propellant they carry, the more weight they must lift, which in turn requires more fuel. This compounding problem is expressed by the rocket equation, a fundamental law that has dictated the structure of every launch vehicle ever built. The mass of propellant dominates launch vehicles. For most rockets, the payload, the satellite, probe, or crew capsule, is a tiny fraction of total mass. Every extra kilogram of equipment adds disproportionately to fuel requirements. This is why rockets appear enormous relative to the objects they deliver. The spectacle is not just for show. It is the visible imprint of physics at work. Atmosphere adds another invisible tax. As rockets accelerate through dense air, they encounter drag, turbulence, and heating. Shock waves ripple through the structure. Vibrations generated by engines resonate along long fuel tanks. Thermal stresses threaten sensitive electronics. Every component must survive conditions that would destroy conventional machinery. To achieve this, engineers use advanced materials, precision manufacturing, and complex designs, all of which are costly. Unlike airplanes, rockets cannot be easily reused. Each launch historically consumed the vehicle itself, leaving nothing behind. Even with modern reuse strategies, rockets must be inspected, refurbished, and sometimes redesigned after every flight. Each cycle requires engineering hours, replacement components, and rigorous testing. Reuse reduces cost, but does not eliminate it. Reliability is essential. Spaceflight tolerates almost no failure. A catastrophic malfunction can destroy millions or billions of dollars of hardware in seconds, and in crewed missions, threaten lives. To prevent this, spacecraft are over-engineered. Critical systems are duplicated, sometimes triplicate, creating layers of redundancy. Backup computers, auxiliary sensors, and secondary actuators multiply both cost and weight. Testing is exhaustive. Hardware is exposed to simulated launches, vibration tables, thermal extremes, vacuum, and radiation. Every component must pass certification before integration. Tests are often destructive, meaning new components must replace tested ones. The process consumes materials, time, and personnel, contributing directly to the price of space. Time is another invisible cost. Most spacecraft take years to design and build. During this period, teams are paid, facilities are maintained, and supply chains remain active. Delays are frequent due to unforeseen technical challenges, budgetary constraints, or regulatory hurdles. Each delay compounds total expenditure. Even after reaching orbit, costs persist. Spacecraft must orient themselves, maintain power, manage heat, and communicate continuously with Earth. Ground stations, control centers, and tracking networks operate around the clock. Engineers monitor systems for anomalies, often remotely troubleshooting spacecraft millions of kilometers away. This operational overhead is significant and ongoing. Insurance adds yet another layer. Every launch carries risk. Insurance premiums reflect potential losses, which are amplified by the catastrophic consequences of failure. New vehicles pay higher premiums until reliability is proven. This makes the early flights of any new rocket the most expensive. Human spaceflight magnifies these costs. Life support systems must maintain breathable air, clean water, temperature control, waste management, and radiation shielding. Crew training spans years and millions of dollars. Human safety transforms engineering requirements, forcing redundancy, escape systems, and monitoring mechanisms at every stage. Orbital mechanics themselves impose costs. Achieving certain trajectories requires more fuel, precise timing, and careful planning. A satellite to geostationary orbit is far more expensive than one to low Earth orbit. Missions beyond Earth orbit demand exponentially higher fuel and engineering budgets. Every meter of altitude and degree of inclination carries a financial toll. Spaceflight costs are not inflated by extravagance. They are enforced by reality. Every kilogram, every second, and every decision carries an unavoidable price. Gravity, energy, reliability, and safety converge to define the cost floor. Yet, humans continue to pay it. Why? Because the value of space exceeds the expense. Satellites enable global communications, weather monitoring, and navigation. Scientific missions reveal the origins of the universe and the nature of our solar system. Human exploration tests civilization's limits and expands our collective horizons. Spaceflight costs are therefore more than financial figures. They measure the difficulty of overcoming Earth's constraints. Every launch represents not just energy expenditure, but human ingenuity marshaled against an indifferent universe. Part 2. Engineering complexity and economic forces. Almost equals 2,500 words. Beyond physics, the cost of space is dictated by engineering complexity. Unlike mass-market technology, spacecraft are built for extreme conditions that rarely occur elsewhere. Every component, from circuits to fuel tanks, must survive acceleration, vibration, thermal extremes, and vacuum. Precision is non-negotiable. Tolerances are tight. Components must function perfectly on the first try. Failures are catastrophic. Materials are expensive. Aluminum alloys, carbon composites, titanium, and specialized ceramics dominate spacecraft design. These materials are costly to produce and shape. Manufacturing processes often involve unique tools, extensive quality control, and painstaking inspection. Custom components are typical. Mass production is rare. Integration multiplies complexity. Hundreds of subsystems, propulsion, avionics, telemetry, thermal management, structural support, must work together seamlessly. One mismatch can jeopardize the entire mission. Integration requires engineers, technicians, and time. Testing must validate interactions as well as individual systems. Redundancy is a constant driver of cost. Critical systems are duplicated, sometimes triplicate. Backup power, multiple communication pathways, and auxiliary propulsion all add weight and expense. These safeguards increase reliability, but demand more engineering, material, and fuel. Operations are continuous costs. Ground teams monitor spacecraft constantly, tracking orbits, power levels, and instrument readings. Mission control centers operate around the clock. Tracking networks span the globe. Every day of operation incurs personnel, infrastructure, and communications costs. Regulatory and political factors shape expense as well. International treaties, launch licenses, safety standards, and national security concerns impose procedural and administrative costs. Compliance requires staff, documentation, and time. Even supply chains increase cost indirectly. Space components are highly specialized. Many parts are produced by one or two suppliers worldwide. Disruption in the supply chain can delay launches and inflate budgets. Manufacturers often maintain long-term contracts to ensure reliability, tying up capital. Economics historically reinforced high prices. Governments dominated spaceflight for decades. Funding was allocated for capability rather than efficiency. Contractors were paid for compliance, not cost reduction. This mindset fostered bespoke solutions, avoided standardization, and maintained high per-launch prices. Insurance is another unavoidable expense. Launches are risky. The potential financial loss of a failed mission is enormous. Insurance covers hardware, payload, and sometimes crew. Premiums reflect both probability of failure and value of cargo. For new launch systems, premiums are especially high. Human spaceflight magnifies all of these factors. Life support systems, crew training, medical monitoring, and escape systems are mandatory. Safety margins must be generous. Redundancy is multiplied. Systems must work flawlessly under conditions that cannot be fully simulated on Earth.